In this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you how to easily fix the scanner error 1016 on the Epson Workforce WF-C5890 printer. If you're facing this issue, stay with me until the end to learn the definitive solution.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When you turn on the printer and see the error, it indicates a problem with the printer's scanner, which needs to be checked. Now, turn off the printer and unplug the power cable from the outlet. After unplugging the power cable, press and hold the printer's power button for 5 seconds to fully discharge any remaining electricity. Remove the front tray. Now, you need to open the left and right covers of the printer. To do this, remove the screws that secure the covers. Be careful not to damage the printer's covers while doing this. Disconnect the cables connected from the scanner to the printer's main board.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
With a flathead screwdriver, you can easily and gently remove the cover. Be careful not to damage the cover. Now, after removing the side covers, you also need to remove the top cover. Unscrew the screws and carefully lift it off. Now that all 3 covers are removed, you can easily access the scanner's flat cable. Check it carefully to see if it is damaged or not. While checking the scanner's flat cable, we found that it was completely disconnected. We will now reconnect it properly to its original place and test if the error is fixed. Now, we will reconnect the 3 cables that we had removed earlier and make sure they are properly attached.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Now we turn on the printer and wait to see if it starts properly and if the error is resolved. You can see that the error is easily fixed and the printer is now ready to use. Now, to ensure the printer is working properly, we print a nozzle check test. Now, you can see that the nozzle check test has printed perfectly and there are no further issues with the printer. All that's left to do is close the side and top covers of the printer.